Is your 2019-2021 Hyundai Nexo key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video provides a step-by-step guide to safely and easily replace it yourself, saving you time and money. Note, while DIY is generally straightforward, consider professional service if you're uncomfortable with electronics. The Hyundai Nexo key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is a standard lithium coin cell battery with a diameter of 20 millimeters and thickness of 3.2 millimeters. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Look for reputable brands like Panasonic or Duracell. Ensure you purchase a quality battery from a reputable brand for optimal performance and longevity. Avoid cheap knockoffs that may not provide reliable power. You'll need minimal tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, size 0 or 00, a plastic pry tool or your fingernail, and optionally rubber gloves to keep the fob clean. Working on a non-conductive surface is also recommended. To open your Hyundai Nexo key fob, first locate the small screw on the side or back of the fob. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the screw. Once the screw is removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently pry open the fob casing. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. With the fob open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Incorrect orientation can cause malfunctions. Carefully snap the key fob casing back together. Make sure it's securely closed. Replace the small screw you removed earlier and tighten it. Avoid over-tightening, which could damage the plastic. After reassembly, test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The LED light on the fob should illuminate. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new. Reprogramming via the vehicle's infotainment system might be necessary. Consult your owner's manual. Always recycle your old battery at designated collection points to protect the environment and comply with regulations. If the key fob has been exposed to moisture, thoroughly clean the interior with a dry cloth before inserting the new battery to prevent corrosion. Consider using sealed fob covers to protect against water ingress and extend the life of your key fob. Note the growing trend toward digital keys via smartphone apps, which may reduce reliance on physical key fobs in the future. If problems persist after battery replacement, consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair.